Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is again opportunity for position of Python backend intern, and which is freshers of campus hiring also, which can provide good opportunity for monthly stipend plus placement, right? Permanent placements, right? So this is what is for the company called digitab.ai, which provides high-tech advanced AI/ML solutions to new age internet driven business, right? For reliability, fast scale, and 100% compliance. So basically, they're helping customer onboarding, automated risk management, along with big data enabled services like risk analytics and customized scorecards. So that is the company called Digitap.ai, which extracts the data from various sources through web scraping, and there is a position open called Python backend intern. So what they are looking for this position, Python backend intern, is basically who is eager to learn and contribute to building scalable backend systems, right? So ideal candidate should have actually a good foundation in Python and a keen interest in backend development, and is willingness to explore areas such as APIs, databases, web scraping. That is the area if you have interest. So you will work with other experienced engineers and gain hands-on experience in designing, developing, and deploying production-ready systems. So then what will be the key responsibilities? You will assist in designing and developing backend system using Python and the other related frameworks. You will support in building and maintaining RESTful APIs for integration with front-end and third-party services. You will also work with databases like SQL and NoSQL to store, manage, and retrieve data efficiently. You will learn and apply performance optimization techniques in codes and databases. You would contribute to internal tools and automation projects to enhance development efficiency. You will explore and implement web scraping techniques under the guidance on gather and process data. So required skills are basically strong understanding of Python programming fundamentals. That is the first thing. Basic knowledge of RESTful APIs and web frameworks such as Flask or Fast API. Then familiarity with databases like MySQL, MongoDB, or Redis, and interest or exposure to web scraping and data extraction concepts. Strong logical thinking, analytical thinking, problem solving, good communication skills. So all the standard things, and these are nice to have. If you don't have exposure to this, it's okay. But if you have any familiarity with the cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Azure, or GCP, Google Cloud Platform, then it is good. Knowledge of Git or GitHub for version control, and then the basic understanding of microservices architecture and API integration concept. Those are nice to have. If you have, then it's good. So who is eligible? So from the qualification perspective, anybody who is pursuing or recently completed a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or any field. So computer science related students or ECE students who are studying in the college or have just passed in 2025, both the batch student can apply. Prior internship, personal projects, or courseware in Python backend development will be plus, and that will be considered for your intern position. And what you will gain is basically hands-on experience in backend development in a real world scenario, and that also in the production oriented environment, right? So that is a good thing. Mentorship from experienced developers and exposure to scalable data driven systems. You'll also get opportunity to explore web scraping, API, and cloud, and you will also get a strong foundation for future full-time role in backend or full. That is what they're saying. It can be converted into a future full-time role in backend or the full stack development, which you can join in this particular company, right? So if you're not interested, I'm giving the direct link here, digitab.freshman.com/jobs Python backend intern. That is there in the description box. We can basically click from there and apply for this position. So that's all I have to cover in this particular video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on all the internship and the placement opportunities for all students.